Vivodina.
Nestled amidst the rolling hills of continental Croatia lies Vivodina, a village untouched by the hands of time. More than just a dot on the map, Vivodina is a journey into the heart of Croatia, a place where history whispers through ancient stones and traditions echo in the laughter of locals. It's a place where time seems to slow down, inviting you to savor the simple pleasures of rural life. My journey to Vivodina was more than just a visit. It was a pilgrimage to uncover my family's past. My grandparents emigrated from this quaint village to the United States, carrying with them stories and customs that have been passed down through generations. Stepping onto Vivodina's cobblestone streets was like stepping back in time, a chance to connect with my heritage and experience the world my ancestors knew. Vivodina is a testament to the enduring spirit of Croatia, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. The village is a microcosm of Croatian culture, showcasing the country's rich history, vibrant traditions, and warm hospitality. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance, its cultural richness, or simply its tranquil atmosphere, Vivodina promises an unforgettable experience. Vivodina's spirit is deeply rooted in its traditions, passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. These traditions are not merely relics of the past. They are living expressions of the village's identity, celebrated with a fervor that is contagious. From colorful folk costumes to lively dances and songs, Vivodina's cultural heritage is on full display during its many festivals and celebrations. One of the most anticipated events in Vivodina's calendar is the annual Village Feast Day. On this special occasion, the entire village comes alive with music, dancing, and of course, delicious food. Families gather from near and far, their laughter echoing through the narrow streets as they share stories and create new memories. Folklore is an integral part of Vivodina's cultural fabric, weaving tales of mythical creatures, brave heroes, and ancient customs. These stories, passed down orally from one generation to the next, offer a glimpse into the beliefs and values that have shaped the village's identity. The elders of Vivodina are the keepers of these tales, their eyes twinkling with wisdom as they share the magic of their ancestors. Vivodina's architectural landscape is a testament to its rich and varied past. The village is a harmonious blend of architectural styles, reflecting the influences of various empires and rulers that have left their mark on this region. From the charming simplicity of traditional wooden houses to the grandeur of Austro-Hungarian-era buildings, Vivodina is an open-air museum waiting to be explored. The heart of Vivodina is its central square, a cobblestone expanse surrounded by historic buildings that have witnessed centuries of village life. The square is the social hub of Vivodina, where locals gather to chat, children play, and time seems to stand still. The air is filled with the scent of freshly baked bread from the local bakery, a comforting aroma that speaks of tradition and continuity. Dominating the skyline is the village church, its towering spire a beacon of faith and resilience. The church, with its weathered stone facade and intricate stained glass windows, is a testament to the enduring spirit of Vivodina's people. Its interior is adorned with beautiful frescoes and religious artifacts, whispering tales of faith and devotion passed down through generations. In Vivodina, community is not just a concept, it's a way of life. The bonds that unite the villagers are strong and unbreakable, forged through shared history, traditions, and a deep respect for their heritage. Neighbors greet each other with warm smiles and friendly conversations, their voices mingling with the sounds of children playing in the streets. Life in Vivodina revolves around the rhythm of the seasons, with each season bringing its own set of traditions and celebrations. From the planting of crops in the spring to the harvest festivals in the fall, villagers work together, sharing both the labors and the fruits of their labor. This sense of community is what makes Vivodina so special, a place where people look out for one another and celebrate life's milestones together. Despite the allure of modern life, the people of Vivodina have managed to preserve their traditional way of life. Many families still cultivate their own land, passing down farming techniques from one generation to the next. The pace of life is slower here, more deliberate, allowing time for simple pleasures like enjoying a cup of coffee with neighbors or sharing stories on a warm summer evening. No journey to Vivodina is complete without experiencing its rich culinary heritage. The village's cuisine is a testament to its agricultural roots, with fresh, locally sourced ingredients taking center stage. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, each dish is prepared with love and care, a testament to the village's passion for good food. One of the most iconic dishes in Vivodina is strukli, a savory pastry filled with cheese and baked to perfection in a wood-fired oven. The aroma of freshly baked strukli wafting through the air is enough to tantalize even the most discerning palate. Other local specialties include roasted meats, hearty soups, and an array of homemade jams and preserves made from fruits grown in the surrounding orchards. Mealtimes in Vivodina are more than just about sustenance. They are social events where families and friends gather to share stories, laughter, and of course, delicious food. The table is laden with an abundance of dishes, each one a testament to the generosity and hospitality of the villagers. Sharing a meal in Vivodina is an experience that nourishes both body and soul. Vivodina is not just a feast for the senses, it's also a sanctuary for nature lovers. The village is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, from rolling hills blanketed in vineyards to dense forests teeming with wildlife. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine needles and wildflowers. For those seeking outdoor adventure, there are plenty of opportunities for hiking, biking, and exploring the surrounding countryside. The nearby hills offer panoramic views of the village and the surrounding landscape, while the forests are a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Whether you prefer leisurely strolls or more challenging treks, Vivodina's natural surroundings offer something for everyone. One of the most enchanting aspects of Vivodina is the ever-changing tapestry of colors that adorn the landscape throughout the year. From the vibrant greens of spring to the golden hues of autumn, each season paints the village and its surroundings in a different light. The beauty of nature is an integral part of life in Vivodina, a constant source of inspiration and tranquility. Vivodina's history is as rich and layered as the soil from which its people have sustained themselves for centuries. Archaeological evidence suggests that the area has been inhabited since prehistoric times, with various cultures and civilizations leaving their mark on the landscape. The village itself dates back to the Middle Ages, its history intertwined with the rise and fall of empires. Over the centuries, Vivodina has been ruled by a succession of empires and kingdoms, each leaving its own imprint on the village's culture and architecture. From the Romans to the Habsburgs, Vivodina has witnessed its fair share of historical events, its story etched in the very stones of its buildings. The village's strategic location along important trade routes made it a desirable prize, leading to periods of both prosperity and conflict. Despite the turbulent times it has witnessed, Vivodina has always managed to retain its unique identity. Its people have endured, their resilience and determination evident in the well-preserved traditions and the strong sense of community that thrives to this day. Vivodina stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, a living link to the past. My connection to Vivodina is more than just geographical. It's deeply personal. My grandparents were born and raised in this village, their lives intertwined with its rhythms and traditions. Their stories, passed down through generations, painted a vivid picture of life in Vivodina. A life of hard work, close-knit families, and a deep connection to the land. Visiting Vivodina was like stepping into those stories, a chance to connect with my family's past in a tangible way. I walked the same cobblestone streets they walked, visited the church where they worshipped, and met distant relatives who welcomed me with open arms. It was an emotional experience, a reminder of the enduring strength of family ties that transcend time and distance. The spirit of my grandparents, their resilience and determination, seemed to permeate every corner of Vivodina. It was as if their legacy was etched in the very stones of the village, a testament to the enduring power of family history. Leaving Vivodina was bittersweet, but I carried a piece of the village with me, a newfound appreciation for my heritage, and a deeper understanding of my roots. In a world increasingly driven by globalization and modernization, villages like Vivodina serve as important reminders of the value of preserving cultural heritage. They offer a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing, a life rooted in tradition, community, and a deep respect for the past. Vivodina's commitment to preserving its traditions is evident in every aspect of village life, from the colorful folk costumes worn during festivals to the time-honored recipes passed down through generations. The villagers understand that their heritage is a precious gift, one that deserves to be cherished and protected for future generations. By preserving its traditions, Vivodina is not only safeguarding its own cultural identity but also contributing to the rich tapestry of Croatian culture as a whole. The village stands as a beacon of tradition in a rapidly changing world, a reminder of the importance of honoring the past while embracing the future. As Vivodina looks to the future, the village faces the challenge of balancing the preservation of its traditions with the inevitable forces of progress. The allure of modern life, with its conveniences and opportunities, is undeniable, especially for younger generations seeking opportunities beyond the village. However, there is a growing awareness among the villagers, both young and old, of the importance of preserving their unique cultural heritage. Efforts are underway to promote sustainable tourism that respects the village's traditions and way of life. The goal is to share Vivodina's beauty and culture with the world without compromising the very essence of what makes it so special. The future of Vivodina lies in finding a harmonious balance between tradition and progress, between honoring the past and embracing the future. It's a delicate dance, but one that the villagers are determined to navigate, ensuring that Vivodina continues to enchant and inspire generations to come. Vivodina is more than just a village. It's a journey back in time, a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. It's a place where traditions are cherished, community is paramount, and the beauty of nature surrounds you. My journey to Vivodina was a pilgrimage to uncover my family's past, but it became so much more than that. It was an opportunity to experience the true meaning of heritage, to connect with my roots, and to witness the enduring spirit of a place untouched by time. As I left Vivodina, I carried with me a profound sense of gratitude for the opportunity to have experienced its magic. Vivodina will forever hold a special place in my heart, a reminder of the importance of cherishing our heritage and the enduring power of human connection.